Dumper.
Yeah.
Yeah, give him one.
Give him. Oh, okay. What happened to your finger? What? Some banana jelly?
What? Yeah.
You have jelly?
Yeah.
Himself jelly, Nadine? Oh, so he cut himself because of jelly?
No.
Here, Tompa.
Tablespoon. Why, my why?
Coconut water, my friend.
Where you two, bear? You two.
With the meat and no gravy. One thing I'm proud of, I'm in sell powder, you know. Cool me and cool them down when I feel the sun.
Hot.
When the sun out, I come out. When the sun in, I run in. When I come in, I go on my boss.
See, you never
All
subscribe.
them something you know for pass, because them ain't clear off a walk. Cool me and cool them down.
I'm okay. The ability, girl. Yeah. They don't know the thing.
Come on, the pampas. Yeah. Boom. Take out them two pampas. Take out two pampas. And this size. Yeah. Close it down. How you go?
Yeah, man.
Go.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah.
My girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's very good. Yeah, man. That beautiful queen, you know.
Yeah.
Man. Color queen, man. You know what I mean?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Alright guys, so I just get some soup cups, you know, cause today we're boiling some soup for the elders them today, you know, so I get some soup cups, giving them some red pea soup, you know, and all courtesy of Miss May in the USA, you know. Thank you so much for providing the meal today, you know, for the elders them. I will be, as you know, we always give them chicken or rice or that, so today we're going to change it up. Today we're giving them some soup, red pea soup, with what the ground provide as well too. This is my general.
better money I sell, man. You know, I have to the thing there.
I have to come buy coconut water, man. I know the thing go already.
Yeah.
Type in Kino Life in Jamaica, man. You'll see.
Kino.
Yeah.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You have space?
There's space. But subscribe on your too. You subscribe on your brother phone, so I don't know how you know see that.
Kino.
Yeah, Kino.
Yeah, Kino.
Live.
Live.
Like Life.
Kino Live.
In Jamaica. Alright? Alright then, respect. Everything good though. But your brother, I'm good. Alright, I'm fine.
Coconut water, my friend.
Where you too, bear? You too.
With the meat and no gravy. One thing I'm proud of, I sell powder, you know. Cool me, I cool them down when I feel the sun.
Hot.
When the sun out, I come out. When the sun in, I run in. When I come in, I go on my boss.
See, you never
all
subscribe.
them something, you know, for pass, because them ain't clear off a walk. Cool me, I cool them down. Well, cold jelly water. One thing I'm proud of, I sell powder.
Which is right, but me have a little mini farm.
Farm, well, you now walk with the farm. If you buy one of them here, I just start perform. Cool me, I cool them down. You find it?
Yeah, you never subscribe, so I just subscribe for you. So that was the problem. Alright, big up.
No, I'm a real artist, you know that.
But no, man.
Come give me a real interview one of them day, you know that.
Yeah. No, you're a real artist. You have
Get a bus in here, think a joke.
after you not know too much artists, you're a real artist.
I'm not talk about bus or run for
Hey, can I call you back? Can I call you back, please?
Call me, I call them down when I feel the sun. Hi, baby. Coconut water, baby.
Alright, artists. We catch up here?
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So I'm saying today we're looking out for some soup for the elders them today. So we're in Alpha Tree, you know, we're in the Clock Tower Plaza. Yeah, so it's called Clock Tower Plaza. There's one thing for sure, you cannot trust in Jamaica when driving in Jamaica. Because these driver also bike rider. I don't know where they get their license from, but boy, these drivers is something else. Drivers and riders. Even if you're here in Jamaica, when you travel to Jamaica, you're gonna drive. You know, you're gonna rent a car. Remember, when you're driving here in Jamaica, please don't drive for yourself. Drive for who's driving in the other car, because trust me, whenever you start to drive for yourself, you're gonna have an accident, because these guys drive reckless. You know, especially taxi driver and bus driver. Oh, yeah, man. So we're gonna head down in TrenchTown now, you know, to start the ball roll and everything. So, guys, remember to like before watching, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Alright, so stay tuned on the journey to TrenchTown. That is it. You see what I just said? Just almost lit the man. I swear that was that catch on camera. So I'm saying, just talking about the same thing. The man is walking normal and the car lick him. Hey, Jamaica is something else. The man is walking normal and the car is licking him for no reason. Hey, and it wasn't a jinx. That's what Jamaica is like. Hey. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm here at RJR. I'm here at a detour stop here at RJR. So I'm here to pick up the box with some Pampers, because it was dropped off here, you know. It was dropped off here by Karen. And Karen is also a YouTuber, and she goes by Classy Design, you know, Classy Design Decor. So you can also check her out, you know, check out her YouTube channel, give her some subscribers, you know. Her YouTube channel name go by Classy Design Decor, you know. Her name is Karen. So she's the one that dropped off this box here. We meant to meet her, but the timing was so difficult because she was busy doing so many stuff, you know. So I'm here to pick it up. So I will leave a link in the description where you can check out our YouTube channel. Hello, where do you enter? You know Mr. Patterson?
Courtney?
That's his name, Courtney, right?
He's here, we can check.
Okay. Alright, so if it Courtney says Mr. Patterson. So he said check at the front desk because it's still there, RJR. Coolie. Hello. I'm here to see Mr. Patterson. Is he here? Yeah. Because I'm here to pick up a box. Pino. Yeah, I'm here to pick up a box. Yeah. Should be here at RJR. I should be coming here for my interview. Should be coming here for my interview. I should be coming here for my interview, right guys? What's going on? For the good work we're doing in TrenchTown. So RJR, look, I have TVJ not far away. Dun, 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 dun. Here it is. Oh, it's a big box.
Not a big man.
Big man. Yes, I just picked up the box, you know, from Karen. You know, she's also a YouTuber as well, too, goes by Classy Design. You know, so you can also check out our YouTube channel. I will leave the link in the description where you can check out, because she has donated some Pampers for the elders them, you know, which is well needed also at this minute, so we can drop them off at the golden age. Yes guys, so I got the Pampers here, you know, so I'm gonna drop them off as well too. And I also want to give Damari as well to some Pampers, because Damari asked for some Pampers. I don't know if you guys remember Damari, the guy that's been shot a couple of years ago and now he's bedridden. You know, Damari with his grandmother that died. So yeah, so this is come at the right time, because we've been out of Pampers since a good while now. So we're up again. Well guys, I just touched down back here in TrenchTown. We have light parks. Wait. I run with the pot already. Wow guys, look. Well, red pea soup is ready. I come right on time, right, Parks?
Yeah, man.
With the spoon, they want to see that story, man, Parks. Get the spoon, Parks. Guys, look at that, right in time. The soup is ready and ready right on time. Look at that. Look how thick it is. Beautiful. Well done by Light Parks, you know, and the old chef. Well done by. So this is what the elders will be getting today. This is a big pot of soup, boy.
I want to take out this boiled soup for you, sir.
Well thick, Light. Wow. Feel like me that drink some. I'm gonna eat them thing here. If it wasn't no chicken or no chicken foot tonight, I would have some. Wow, we have to really give thanks to May.
Yeah, me.
May from the USA Light Park. She's the one that provided soup today, you know.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man, and it's a blessing, man. I love the good vibes.
Yeah.
Where I bring. Yeah, man, that is it, man.
Because you said the last time we cooked chicken and rice and peas. So this time we give them something different, more good for the stomach, right? I will give thanks to May.
It's a blessing, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I will give thanks to it, man.
Yes.
Yeah. God bless you.
Yeah, man, so we'll give thanks, May. We thank you so much. So yeah, I'm here with the cups, the soup cups. So these are the big soup cups we have here, you know, provided today for. So May, thank you so much for providing for the elders and today, you know, so we might as well change it up, you know. Might as well we change it up today and do something different. So yes, so we're here. That's it. Manners.
Subscriber.
Also big up.
YouTuber,
Okay. Yeah. YouTuber as well. Big up yourself, man. What the I name? Darget Blood.
Black.
Oh, Darget Black. Okay. So we have a YouTuber in the place, subscriber. Say always watching Kino Life in Jamaica.
Always.
Oh, see you there. Well, right in time. Huh? Oh, you're original man in the place, same way. Yeah, he not subscribe, you know. He not subscribe.
They send me a thing them every minute. He WhatsApp.
He not subscribe.
Never too late, can subscribe, I know.
I know, right?
Yeah, never too late.
Yeah, never too late.
I'm going to mind get some subscribers them right now there.
Yeah.
But I'm fresh, you know, I'm young light.
Oh, you just start?
Yeah.
How long now you start?
I'm just about from November, December, I start push out this video.
Yeah. Yes, guys, so see there, so if you can give him some subscribers, come here, come stand up as a dog, so come let them know.
Right over here.
So let them know what your content is about, what they can expect, you know, when they come and subscribe to your YouTube channel, what can they see?
Yeah, I know, I am Darget Blog. Yeah, my YouTube channel. I do all kind of content, like for instance, I don't really do politics, but you know, I do like food.
Yeah.
I do blogging of river, beaches. I do blogging like on the countryside and the same kind of only thing different I do from me, you know, is like
charity.
The charity different.
Okay,
you know?
okay.
Do every other, but not do the politics, not like the politics thing.
Okay, guys. You know? So yeah, man. So we can always support each other by giving some subscribers. You know, so how many subscribers you got already?
Well, we got 360, I don't know.
Okay, so you're on the road to 1,000.
Yeah, no.
Alright, so guys, so he's on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you can go and add to that, you know, help out another brother from another mother, you know, who's also trying to push out the positive content, right?
For real.
And that's what all my subscribers are about, positivity.
Yeah.
You know, because that's what we need to do.
Yeah.
You know, carry out the change here, you know. So that's what it is. So it's called Darget Blog.
Darget Blog, yeah.
Yeah, Darget.
D-A-G-G, Dog.
Yeah.
Dash H-E-A-D.
Yeah.
B-L-O-G, Dog Ed Blog. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me to grow.
Yes.
Because I'm fresh, I'm a young YouTuber. Although I'm an old man still.
Yeah.
You see me?
Age is not.
Yeah, but you know,
age no matter.
I ask if you can just help me grow.
Yes.
Yeah, and respect. And I always get a good content from that all the time.
Alright then, so you can help him grow. So where you located?
Kingston.
Kingston.
Yeah, Kingston.
Alright.
I really saw them, I watch it every day. Although me from the start I do against it, but I'm still watching them because you know. I watch them and learn.
Same here.
So we just continue watch phone thing and learn after.
Yeah.
You see me?
And you grow from there.
I go watch them, if you go up on my channel and start watching my video then
Yeah.
you can watch all of them and come down. And about 160 video now.
Well, you've been putting in the work, yeah.
And it's the latest one them start put. And I come here and watch the description and I say, oh, them put on the description.
Yeah, yeah,
So we
yeah.
just see it with the and say, oh, some start put to
Yeah, start to add description.
Christmas list.
Yeah.
The man got list.
Yeah. Yeah. So you start to add to it.
Kino Life Jamaica.
Yeah.
We start to add to it, but I say, yeah, man. A long time I know how to do that, so we just know now. So, you know, I learn.
Of
so
course.
people ask them if you just help me. I'm a process, I'm a road going to 1,000.
Yes.
See?
Yes.
Don't know from which 1,000, you know, say, boy, yeah. Ring spread, look more wider.
Yes,
so,
yes.
Ask them, please assist me.
Alright,
So,
then.
yeah, man. Daghead Blog, DAWG, HEAD, BLOG.
Dog. You say H what?
HEAD.
Oh, okay. Dog Ed.
Yeah.
So-
BLOG.
Okay. Says Dog
Yeah, man.
Ed.
Yeah, man.
Blog.
Respect.
Yeah, man, guys. So you can go and give him some subscription. You know, hit that thumbs up and everything. So we have here the members. Them natural putting in some welding work. Dalpy.
One genius.
We say after work today.
Yeah, after a week,
You're a week.
Yeah.
Wait, you're the second man said that the last time Story was saying the same thing. Say to Story to them fire him. I know them suspend you.
Yeah, I'm suspended.
Well, go on down upon that work site, boy.
I don't know how.
Yeah, so we say the boss have enough I want to know, so him can lay enough.
Yeah, look so.
Him reach far now.
Yeah, reach far, you know.
Johnny! Him reach far now, so him can get rid of 1 and 2. You see, Dream Team will never get rid of no one. Yes. Natural. Bang. So Natural is here doing some welding job to the guys. Wait, don't let me blind.
No, blind man. You know, see what I'm going.
Jack of all trades. So this is what Natural is making today. What's this? Some gate? Iron door, right? For a shop. Almost finished, Natural. Natural well talented, now guys. Natural can do everything. In the building and out the building. All underground to work him can do. All space. He can work in a space, right, Natural? In a rich space yet?
If I get the chance. When, yeah.
I mean, cause they want some worker on Mars. You know?
I'm not going to do.
Nah, go.
I'm not going to. I stay on the earth, man. Stay on the earth, man.
Yeah,
Stay on my land, you know?
let's stay on the mother's land. Right as well. These are some what is slide gates, Natural?
No, I swing them.
Oh, you're gonna swing them? Well secure. That is it.
Finish our first one, I want to know.
Yeah. Hey man, so today we'll get the hell of them some soup. You catch burn?
Heat going to gloves, man.
Right in the gloves. See that man fling on him weapon, you know, for the reach, you know. And the heat take care of run out the kitchen.
Yeah, man, heat pour up egg glove, leg of that, man.
The heat take care of the run out the kitchen. Yeah man, so today we're cooking, making some soup for the elders them.
Oh, that's a road for the elders them today.
Yeah, inside here.
Oh.
Give them some soup. Last time we give them chicken and them things, so
Natural.
give them something different this time, you know.
See the elders them? Take care of the elders them, you know?
Of course.
Whenever the elders wouldn't be here, you know?
Them pave the way, right?
Yeah, man.
Them pave the way. Right, Prefect. We have a big give thanks to May from the USA. She provided the meal today for the elders them.
May from the USA.
Mm-hmm.
Give thanks, enough love, enough. Really appreciate it. Bless up yourself.
Yeah.
The good Lord guide and protect both you, family, friends and everyone. Bless up yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes, Natural, because as we say, man, there's one thing we're sure about. We cannot escape this life alive.
No.
You understand? You cannot escape this life. You cannot escape this life alive. Well, go on, cause running from camera.
Step on a journey, you know?
Of course.
Step on a journey, man.
You blame me, you cannot escape this life alive, right? No. So you don't know when your tomorrow will come. Right? Yes. Alright, so guys, that's one thing I'm sure. You cannot escape this life alive. So live for good and do good, because you never know when your day will come. Do you know when your day is gonna come? You know when your day will come?
Not at all.
Not at all. Natural, will you know when your day will come, natural? No. Never. So that's why you have to just live and live for good, you know, live for righteousness. Because one thing guaranteed, we cannot escape this life alive. Right? So do your good, do your best, because you never know what tomorrow may bring, you know, in this physical form. So in this physical form, you cannot escape it alive, you know, but trust me, but while you're here, live for righteousness and live for good all the time. Right? You can't take it, man. Alright. Sorry, you keep hiding. Go and hide. Yeah, cuz, why are you hiding? Guys, this is Mother Teresa's daughter. She's hiding. Look, mother and daughter. Mother Teresa, how she walk past you so?
She's shy.
Eh? She's so shy. Yeah, that's my cousin, Mother Teresa. Huh? Alright, so let me get. That's Mother Teresa's daughter, you know, I don't know. She's so shy, boy, I don't know. When Shia give away, she was at the front of the line. And when she get it, she go back to the back of the line and get more shy. She's one of the shyest. Hey, she's so shy. Trust me. Shy.
I always see her on the street. Especially on Saturday morning time.
So Jenna, you must do good, because you cannot hide. You cannot hide. You know, don't live rich like him and hide, yeah? Make everybody see you.
We are talking.
Anybody camera look fun.
I do.
Where's it? I go on, Parks?
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
I eat. Alright, then, yeah. Yes, guys, well. So, it is that time we're going to get the soup sorted out now. You know, get the soup sorted out. Get the soup sorted out for the elders then now. So, that is it. So, hey, look who is it.
Baby coming down.
Empress.
It always feels so good to step out, because I cannot wait to be called Baby and Empress. Just
Aye.
give me a minute. Only in Jamaica. Anyway, guys, hope you're all doing well. So, welcome to Kino's vlog today. And if you're new here, please subscribe. My name is Dee Mwango from Kenya. And welcome to Jamaica, the land that we all love.
That is
So we
it.
are outside.
And we have Esther, aka Bombing Ball. Esther, how do I start with them call you? Bombing Ball or baby?
No. You give me that name there.
The Bombing Ball. Keep the ball bombing. Killer. Alright.
One. Me there.
See a Rasta man there. Come to the dog, yeah.
Him get to know you.
You need a max. Come.
Oh, you want a replacement?
Yes, can't find any place. Foot sick.
Outside. You could have used him girlfriend.
Foot sick.
The new dream team dog.
Oh, go on, mommy. You
I dream them drop some kind of foot in
I got me here.
Yeah. Guys, we outside in a
TrenchTown.
Kinale. Who this?
Who's that?
Hey.
Mother Teresa, where go on?
I'm giving him a kong.
Dream team dog. New dog.
Dream team new dog. Then we need to fix the leg.
Him called Blackheart.
Black.
I dream them match up him phone. Dream I aim.
Dream?
No, them never do to spy. The black drop on him.
Oh.
You think Dream play with people? Baby Dream don't play with people, you know.
And also she rides the dog.
Yeah, for them dog.
Right there.
Life in Jamaica.
Dream team neighbor.
So it's gonna get
This
redone.
person really got good heart for you. He really looks like you.
Yeah, he never finish it. So he might come and
finished it?
no. So him say if I
But
come.
this side really looks like you.
Yeah.
So much. Even the eyes.
He says he's gonna come and redo it back over because he never get to finish it and show the community was in a ups and down. And he never want to come over this side. So
Okay.
so everything is good now. So him say I'll come back and do it.
Hey, the
While him a do one. Yeah. Nice, right?
feels so good to be in TrenchTown. I'm gonna share soon.
Yeah, Mother Teresa, we're gonna do it now.
Even me.
And D?
Bono.
Well, that's him, you know.
Bono.
Mm.
Okay guys, welcome to Dream Team Kitchen. And there we go. Esther serving out the soup. Wow, what a soup.
Cooked by light parts.
Eh? It's you who cooked it?
Yeah.
Wow, you're such a good chef.
Yeah man, Light
Wow,
Park's the
guys.
chef.
Eh?
Light Park's the chef. This is Light Park. So he's the chef that makes the
Have two
soup.
chefs.
Yes.
You are now chef.
I have Wormy.
And me too.
And the Mwanga is here. We have Mother Teresa put in the work. You know it goes already. So today we go feed the golden age as well. You know, so we have the nice red pea soup. You know.
Hey, looks so good.
Well, Light Park's bad me I tell you man.
Wow. The red bean soup.
And Light Park's up our next kitchen. Big up, you know. And respect man. Yeah.
All of that.
Yeah, so let's put the cover them on them. So we want to thank May from the USA to provide this meal here for the elders them. So May, we want to thank you so much for providing the meal for the elders them today, you know. Something different to do it, you know, from what we normally do. You know, so D-Mongo, you can thank May. Say May, thank you so much.
Big shout out and thank you so much to May for making this possible. God bless you. May your pockets never run dry.
Yeah. See, chef just walked down the road. See there. Light Parks. Light Parks.
Light Park and we the people band.
Yeah, yeah.
Light Park and we the people band.
Yes.
Okay, that's him, the chef.
The chef.
You that the people. Light Park and we the people band.
Yeah. We the people band.
These are man of the
Frankie.
Every needed.
The leaves.
These are soup I'm not sure. We get to the elderly people. Which is right. Yeah, which is right. Yeah, right. Remember, take up the passion. Take up the passion and also like care for the elder and the old. Yeah, which is good.
Yeah. Kiddo's job.
And the kid come out with them church service. And I tell you, I tell them, I still don't enjoy the service, the pastor. Them are preaching on that.
Yes, I do the right thing, you know.
Yeah, man, for real, man.
We try to give everyone a strength, no matter what type of friends positivity. That's how we do it.
Up and running, just like that. I like the program.
Come on, move up, man, move up. That is it.
Good program, upliftment program, help people. People want to help me, you know. Oh, we got myself now.
Wow, that soup look well thick and rich.
Yeah, really nice. Such a good chef.
Rich.
Yeah. Try not to.
Then go on the side.
Yeah.
Uncle, okay.
Sometimes they come to the side.
Why you go them back in a town or the community?
TrenchTown.
We're not community with it. I go for a golden age first.
So I can't pronounce her name good. I hear a product.
He cannot pronounce my name well.
D-Mongo.
D-Mango, I buy my tongue.
Just call her Mango.
Yeah,
Okay.
like green, like mango, green mango.
Mango.
Let's put on-
D-Mango.
Yeah,
D-Mango.
D-Mango.
mango.
Not wah.
Mwango. You say mwango.
Not wah. Like mwah.
One go.
Yes, guys, so. Rasta Jackson, all is well.
Every time, Rastafari we call upon every time. You know, evil have to go down every time. The man evil have to go down, you know.
Yes, sir.
Rastafari we call upon and love we say every time, see? And love conquer all. So I see them there, I go around and I see them there. You know?
Yeah, man, so
Give
today,
thanks and praise every time. Yeah.
today we have May from the USA who provide a meal for the elders, them, you know?
Yeah.
May. We're not talking about June, July, or August.
We're
May.
not talking no boat name May. You know?
Yeah.
May.
Yeah.
And we big up May every time. Every time we give thanks and praise every time. Yeah. And this is the Kino life, and this is Rasta Jackson talk here live. Yeah, that is what we do.
That is what we do.
Yeah.
Helping out the less.
Extended family every time, because those still love them.
Yeah. Like the end.
More than love them every time.
So we all get same like the end, you know? Like the vibes.
Yeah.
That is it. You come here, you like the energy, you have to like the vibes, because TrenchTown is a place of vibes. Trench is a place that has vibes, you know?
The 15K one, you
Alright, let's see. Let's see if they can hold.
Also, I should get one because I'm old.
You say you want one because you're old. Can it hold, right? Is that one fit down there?
Yeah, 8. Yeah, so we'll put that up now. 9, 10, 11, 12.
Fit?
Yeah.
Okay. 15.
That is it.
Got more cups, sir.
The two ladies that were always at the roadside.
Yeah. Covers. So you know we're gonna do, and Damar, we're gonna give Damari as well too, and Princess, and we name Prince. So we have to go over Leroy side first. We can get the bottled water.
Be careful of me, actually, you know. I'm sure they're cold.
Oh. Whoa, you know?
Yeah, man, you know what I read on, you know, I see the American style sweet to them, you know. Yeah, man, the kids them what, you know, you see, but you know, Binami them call them. Yeah, man, so, you know, Binami. No, some of them have things of twins, them big red and white sweet, Binami them name, you know. And mama wants so. She don't want it the most, so I go and enjoy a little piece off of it. Yeah.
Mama, I don't want your sweetie.
You want your sweetie?
Big mama, let me see her.
See everybody.
Hey!
What's your
Look
face?
alike, wow, chef.
She been around Wow Chef so much. She adapt the look already.
Ino. I mean, and I soup.
Yeah.
What can I eat in there?
Chicken foot and chicken.
One of you, me also cake.
Oh, meat tonight. Not for the Rasta.
It's cannot top.
We'll empty the box there and reach over.
Do it that way, so I get that. So that's that one. Just bring them up here.
Put it down here. Oh. Come there, you gonna deliver. No. Going to a Ella over here. So we have to give out the single ones them first before
Rasta no meat.
into that house. There we go. That one. Here. Yeah. Go on. Mr. Winston.
Knock knock.
Mr. Winston.
Yeah. We got something for you.
Bring a soup for you.
Go in.
Yeah.
Okay, something nice to drink.
You have to know. You want to put it down? Alright, good. Put it over there.
Alright then.
With the water as well.
Thank you very much.
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
Alright then. You good though?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, continue, yeah?
Yeah, thanks.
Alright.
Alright then, later. Okay.
Give us, yeah?
Haven't given me phone up there. Never seen in the lock. Alright then.
Stand up. Perfect.
One.
Oh, Mr. Mark. Mr. Mark.
That Elda is Elda. Extra, you're something else. Trouble. Something here for you. Alright, welcome.
Where your wife there? Should they home?
Joan.
Yeah, what? Yeah.
Oh, like the on the door. Where's Joan?
Bobby? Where Joan there? Where your daughter?
Thump over there?
Jump over there? Yeah. Crack it up and it come back.
Yeah.
Go back.
You
Walk on. Good? Okay.
We call one.
They looked over the money, see?
Thumper.
Yeah.
Yeah, give him one.
Give him. Oh, okay. What happened to your finger? What?
Jump in on a jelly?
Wow, yeah.
You have jelly?
Yeah.
Insert jelly, Nadine?
Oh, so he cut himself because of jelly?
No.
Here, jump on.
Teaspoon. War, my war. Hey, you know what? It's like out there here, so with them two there. We give our chef mother and the sister.
Oh, wow. What's
Yeah.
your first sister and mother?
No, it's auntie.
Oh.
Like over there.
3 years.
Oh. Blessed fire.
Stop.
Twin.
Go.
Oh, go on. That's bad. We'll bring the soup, come. Come away. Let's drop out the soup then. Come. We'll leave a soup for her then, right? Bring the soup. Come on, give her one. Get her one. It's alright, man. Well, you can't get her the soup.
You can collect it for her.
Alright, I'm going to give her a single color.
Here's the spoon.
You okay,
I'm going
Owen?
to call Valena.
Feel a little better? Feel it. Oh, should we do a test?
Yeah, should they go do a test?
What happened?
We're just in there.
Took care of them a public tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow? Okay,
So the doctor will tell you the result.
okay. Alright then, there's progress. Progress.
I'm going to tell Poo-Poo to call Valley.
Alright then, later, yeah? Alright then.
Hello, take her off her chair.
Yeah, he's never bored.
She's a twin D. She's a twin here.
Oh, no.
See you next Monday.
Justin!
I wish. You're right.
Justin!
Once a baby. Good time to have baby, a lot of food. A lot of food. Let me go put 6. I said, the woman, I'm going to carry 6. 18 a leave. But I said, I said, no, D goes, when D says, I'm going to say, I'll babysit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright. Alright, we'll go. Bring them come. Bring come. Oh, we have some of them here. Yeah, slide over this. Okay, so we get some of them. We can get them or some of this. Them this, right? Let's go drop it off same time. Yeah. Oh, slide it in there. So slide it in there.
The next box, please.
It's in there. First our box when I shop to come down. Alright. Yeah. Go on. Alright, listen. Esther, come take up a pack of Pampers. I will side the fitting.
Come on.
Yeah.
Extra large. 45, 62. I suppose you can't pick up a candy.
Alright, and that. Kind of want some of that as well. Where the spoon? The spoon? Bless you. Hello? What happened? Can I enter? Oh, let me get put out. We have guests here. Bring some Pampers for him. Wrong time. Happy New Year's and everything.
Where you see him again?
Where is?
Country, can't hear him. I say too bad.
You see me in country, don't say anything to me.
She got one funeral at country and she like party. I say too bad, man.
Yeah.
You want me to dream team?
Alright, excuse, come, me and a friend. Excuse up my way. Or if you see me in country and I say nothing to me.
Which country again?
Which country? You remember?
She got country, man.
Bad boy. Tamar. Come true. Oh, go on. All is well. Bring somebody come look for you, you know what? I always watch out to though. It's been a while. It's been a while. So we bring some of them here. I imagine we just go pick up, take some of them pick up some Pampers. This the inner as well too. So that can work. And the size that will fit here? Check it. The size that will fit here? Is there a big size in there?
Other size are medium.
Okay.
Medium. Next size are medium. This size
Other size.
Not to fit in. Alright, and we have a big soup for you as well too. He got shot a couple years ago, you know, D. He got shot a couple years ago.
Gunshot?
Yeah. It was sad. His babe mom died as well to the same night.
Same night?
Yeah, when he got shot. You got shot coming out. I'm always work and everything, you know. It was an intense violence was going on in the community.
Here?
Yeah. How much years ago now? 4 years ago. The violence was really intense them time. Yeah, and you get caught in the middle of it. So everything good though. I go and roll up. It's been a while still, huh? It's been a while. Hold on. Now go on, yeah? What to your boy?
Just gone out of there and buy something.
In my beer? Beer chat. And true, I'm never seen him. Come to the game when we used to play. I'm start playing PlayStation. You know PlayStation again?
Game master. Get another one next month.
So your legs still have a move, a jump and something same, eh? Right, a pain after now.
No, I'm not going to Turkey. I'm going to go to Turkey because I told them discharge me from out there. But my boy, when I'm fire, brethren, them coming up from take my exercise and work out my foot.
Okay.
So foot them man, like one time I was at a bar from my back there. Foot them are killing me and
oh, you got some pain. That's a good sign though. From your feel. Yeah, so that means the nerve is kicking. So once it a burn, it come like a fire, right? Sooner or later you see you start kick it out next.
I'm trying to feel like current around my toe.
Like current around your toe.
I want to go down on my foot then.
Nerves are come back, man. That's what I think. That you feel like current. Because them say a lot of electric in our body, right?
No current on the
Static,
body.
yes. So from here I feel it, it has shut the nerve.
More time I see this from my spinal cord damage. Now my back, more time I feel my back like something big in my back.
Yeah, pulse, like pulse, you know.
It's a jump in my back, right? Otherwise, I'm good, man. Just there, I'm going to hold the faith, yeah?
Yeah.
I want to be better, yeah?
You definitely work again, man, you know. From I get the therapy as well as I get them signs. When I getting them signs, you know, say there is hope. So guys, for those of the new subscribers who just came, you know, Damari, you know, been on the program for a while where his grandma was also a part of the program as well when she passed away, sick and passed away as well. He was also here looking out for him, you know. So Damari was in an accident where there was an intense violence going on in the community. You know, 4 years ago when his baby mom died as well to the same night. Yes. So it was the same night. He was at home, right?
Yeah, I was.
He was at home. And come inside the house and
shot up, kill she first and then shot up.
Yeah. So.
No at all, you know? It's clear to say my woman family killed woman.
Oh, so they were saying that his baby mom family killed a woman, right? You know, so
they came back for them.
Yeah, retaliate and, you know.
Killed her and tried also to get him.
Yes.
So me as the witness, and they can't get a witness and them shot me. But nothing like that now goes so. Different people kill the woman.
Okay. So them say nothing like that never happened. It's a different person them say kill the woman, but them obviously it's his baby mom, you know, family done it. And they came back to retaliate and he got involved. But, you know, with God everything is possible, you know.
Yeah.
He was here for a reason, you know, it wasn't your time, you know, for some reason, so. Because he could take both out, you know, and leave the little boy alone. I have his son. His son not how much, you know? 11. And that was 4 years ago. So his son witnessed everything as well too.
Right in front,
right in front of the little boy as well too. So you know, he grew up traumatized as well, seeing that happening, you know. So it's really, really sad. Alright then, damn. So we keep you up to date. So if me get any more, I'm gonna make you know, right? Cause I'm gonna drop off some on the Colin edge as well too. Alright? Yeah, man. Alright, my friend. See me on a call to me. Alright, so take up. We're gonna take. Are they 15 that?
Yeah.
Take out the water.
Water?
We can carry the pampas them as well too.
D, that heavy for you? No, I just want to go a hole so that's my... Okay, I'm okay. Be a village girl. Yeah. They don't know the thing.
Come on, the pampas. Yeah. Boom. Take out them 2 pampas. Take out 2 pampas. And this is... Yeah. Close it down. Come. Well, guys. So we
back again.
So we're here at the Golden Derby. Where is it? Where?
This is a hospital?
No, this is a home for the old people.
Care home. Care home. Derby, Evelyn. Derby, relax.
Derby.
Derby, come.
And this shit up. Come on now, because we have the pampas and thing. Come on. So we have the pampas and thing. So we can thank the people then, yeah. Afternoon. How you doing, mommy? Alright.
I feel good.
Do.
I feel
Good. Alright, take out the soups them ladies and start to fish now. Yeah. Yeah man, big man there. Alright. So Derby, so we have some pull-ups here. As well too from Karen. Yeah. I know, and I think this is some I don't know what it is. It's some pressure thing from Karen from the US, you know, for the pampas. So you can just tell her thanks.
Well, on behalf of the Irish at the Golden Age home here in TrenchTown, we appreciate this you sent for us, Karen, and we would like to tell you thank you very much for all these pampers, because the home here need it at all time.
Yeah.
You know it's elderly person when they wear pampers. So we appreciate this. Okay? Yeah man, cool.
Alright, I give thanks. Give thanks, Karen. So guys, so Karen is also known as Classy. Let me get her name correctly. One sec. Yes. Classy Design and YouTuber. She's also a YouTuber as well, known as Classy Design, guys. So you can check her out as well. I'll put the link in the description so you can give her a subscribe. So okay, under we have soup for you today.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I know you always be here with.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Here's a water as well for you.
You know the room?
Yeah.
No.
One here. Yeah.
Good afternoon. Water.
Alright, go on that way. Alright, so we're going to put it in there for her. Uncle, listen, I have some soup for you. Give me water. Can I put it water on the table for you? Alright. Eh? Sleeping?
So Speaker. Mr. Speaker.
Alright, he's sleeping.
And I see budget.
Running, sir. We have one more at the end, right? One at the end. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Uncle. Everyone in front.
You can just leave it.
Yeah, rest it right there on the table for him.
But I'm impressed. The place is so clean.
Yeah.
They live in a very clean
Try them
place.
bestie.
Here's the one.
I'm gonna try them later now.
Yeah. Oh, over there you can get clay.
Okay.
No, I said you can get clay to eat over there.
But you can't enter that way.
No, not that one.
Is that that one?
You want the face one? You gonna stick?
No, that one can eat.
No, because you say this my Yeah.
No, come here, sir.
I'll stop down here. So it's face.
Come. He's sleeping. Let's put the water on. Uncle. Bring some soup for you. Go on. He's sleeping. Let's put the soup on.
Right here.
Let's put it right there. Someone else next door. Oh, he's not in here?
Yeah, but
Alright, let's rest it right there. Yeah. Alright then, yeah. I put the soup down there for you. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
alright. Thank you. Yeah. Let me bring more here.
Yeah.
Soup.
Oh, remember I cannot see. We have soup for you, uncle.
Soup?
Yeah. Red pea soup.
Yeah. Can't push that door there.
Yeah, it's open. The door is open.
Open door.
Yeah.
And your foot not supposed to forget something for your foot. Your foot not supposed to hang down like that, you know.
Yeah, I forget.
You know what I said?
Oh, she did gone. So I have to put hers down. So rest it in the room for her. Rest it go down. Is that table here? Alright, rest it in the table.
Can't rest it down. She gonna need her son. And she had the one. Eddie.
Yeah.
We're gonna need her. She had the one who's gonna need her.
Yeah.
None of them on the front.
Yeah, on the front as well. You know what? Come, go at the front. No, we just got that one there a while ago. No, go see. No, we never come here. Yeah, go on.
Soup. Bring soup for you.
A tapa. We just got this one, right? Yeah, this is the one that we just got.
From the other side.
Yeah.
The muffin actually is in there.
Oh, see the man here. Come.
The muffin actually is
Uncle.
Yeah.
I said, love.
Some soup.
Bring some soup for you.
I want to have had something to put in my lap. I don't.
Importers, the Jamaica Desert Agency is revolutionizing your clearance experience.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah?
Thanks, sir.
Rest it here.
You want a soup to drink now?
Now?
What you can give me what it in? You can't tell the best what it into?
Red pea soup.
No, the best, that's making.
Huh?
The best, what in it into?
Oh, it's in a one bowl.
I'm going to take it then.
Yeah.
Open it for you now?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
sit down up
Yeah.
a little bit. Sit down up. And sit up. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there is it. Right?
Yeah.
And the spoon is in it. So,
Alright.
so rest it down on your lap.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
And you see, it feels for the spoon now.
No.
My sight is not there, you know.
Yeah.
With this other.
Which one you use?
Left hand.
Oh, left hand.
Okay.
Left
That is it.
See there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah?
You're welcome.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Alright.
Alright.
Just take your time. Slowly, same way.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
That is it.
You get it ready?
That is it, cute. Yes.
You give me already?
Yes.
It belongs to my family. Like, she's a foreigner, she's dead.
Okay.
She has to do it. So me, can use the place.
Alright.
She give me the wrong plan.
Yeah.
Alright.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Everything done?
No, I think there's something in the box.
But the rest of them not there.
Yeah, so
Take them the two.
we can leave them once. We'll leave them once.
Okay. Somebody will not go here.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna head down to the next.
Wow. Wow, Kina, good job. You know? Hey, Kino.
Don't make them some more.
Look at it again.
Come on.
Come here. Come here.
I need my foot. I need my
Mango
foot.
tree have two different mangoes and one tree. You have black mango, you have East Indian mangoes.
Peter.
Foot to go places with.
Oh, go on.
Wow, look at the mangoes. Yeah.
So they eat them like that.
Yeah, sweet.
Okay, so thank you. You can't stop to try and get by?
Yep.
And shut up, man.
These are the young boys. Bring somebody come look for you.
Oh, God.
Nice to meet you, know. Yes.
Nice to meet you, too.
Watch all the way,
Thank you.
all board.
Thank you so
Find one
much.
key now.
You find one, where you go, you find people.
Some water for you, some soup. That is it.
Yeah.
Put it somewhere for you.
Put it there. That's what
Here?
so the thing go, you know?
Yeah. They're good though, right?
Yeah, man, so far, you know? So you know, so they put me off again.
Yeah? Till when?
Till next month again.
Next month?
The 23rd next month. So
Oh.
full up and things about can no better.
Okay. Because I forgot to amputate one of his legs. Yeah. And the foot, it was a left foot. Yeah, and it's a right foot, so it will fit.
I'm saying can do. I really do it for me, you know, because how long I have it. Can do it all them the flow.
Yeah.
So put that to next month.
Yes.
You know this?
Alright then, yeah?
Yeah, man. Thank
Alright
you,
then,
man.
that's good. Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
Alright,
That's,
then
that's not
later.
good.
Nice to meet you again, no?
Okay, yeah. I'm around, I am back. Yeah. What did you say, Kid? That you're going to amputate one of his legs?
Yeah.
He has been with it for so long,
Yeah.
and it's not getting better.
Not getting better. It's not getting better at all. Kids, thing alright?
Yeah.
Go inside. Hey, come.
You know, you don't fear dogs.
No.
You know, you are
Princess. Prince.
the Aki tree, typical countryside home. And Aki in there.
Prince.
And dog.
Prince.
Wagwan, Prince.
Let me take it from you. Wagwan.
Oh, he's so cute.
All is well?
Yeah.
Bring one new girl for you, you know.
Prince, you got a Lamborghini?
Yeah.
Oh, he knows the kid.
Yeah, I know.
He knows the voice.
Bring soup. Bring soup. Yeah. Bring soup for you. You say you want 100, I give you 200. Okay?
The money, look, your money you did me done, yeah.
It's done? What money I give you done?
Yeah, what I do, that done now.
Alright, say another 200 there. Put me a packet quick and fast, I'm nobody see. Yeah. Bring soup for you. You want to drink?
In an old phone, daddy, man.
No. You want phone?
Yeah, I'm not a phone. Everybody have phone, and I have party, have phone, Peter, nobody have phone.
Prince will bring a girl for you.
Yo.
Cause baby not going with nothing.
You're so cute. You look so handsome.
Yeah?
Yeah?
You want our phone number?
You want my phone number?
Yeah, drink the soup now. Put the soup in your hand. Put the soup in your hand.
That is it. This is water.
That is water.
Open it for you?
Yeah.
What do you think? I open it?
Yeah, open it for him.
Okay.
Give him the spoon.
Wait, let me give the spoon. This is the lid.
Give me this.
Let me give you a spoon. Just a second.
Ask him can put it in a bottle and say.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna bring it for you again, man. Alright, then look more, yeah? Yeah, Prince?
Yeah.
Alright, then later. So you can buy juice when you finish. So you have your water beside of you, okay? So make it drop, you know. So keep it in your lap so it not drop. Yeah.
That is it. Alright, Prince, later, okay?
Alright, later. Go on.
Yes, sir.
A lot of ducks. Do you see duck?
When you take a phone, call me.
Let me get a, alright, say, when you get a phone, call him.
Okay, I'll call you, we talk, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna buy me a Lamborghini, though?
Yeah.
That is it.
Poor
Well,
Prince.
I put it in your name.
What?
That is it.
That's how I put him there.
First somebody tell her that, do you?
So his son, man, put him son in a your name.
Hey! You have a son?
Princess.
Son named Sam.
Sam.
Yeah.
That is serious.
Here's his sister, Princess.
Good.
You get the next baby?
Can't tell you.
Bring a soup for him. What I go on, I can't see every time I come in at here. I like how you do the place.
Look good now, sir.
Yes, place looking good.
Myself,
Of course.
That is it.
Continue the work same way, Princess.
Road work and I go and match it up.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, I don't know. Ask God for thing, them you forget them.
I ain't happy, right?
You know, you so know the thing go.
Yeah.
Can
You
I
full
ask
of
that?
Aki door.
Me I tell you. You could ask that.
Your tree full of Aki, sir.
Yeah, man, a blessing, man. So when you laugh up in the kitchen, you get no fat.
Open up, you know?
Open up.
Nearly all of them.
That's something I just say.
So
Go
many
buy
ducks.
some things
Hey, them
for me.
separate
I'll cook
food.
some food.
Oh, alright then. So you have more food to get. Alright then. Princess, I'll cook for you more now, yes? Yeah, Prince. Alright, Princess.
Yeah, man.
I'll catch up.
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Go on do the good work here, because I like what go on.
I tell you, man.
I like the design as well too. Place looking nice, you know? From where it's coming from to where it is now,
I tell you great things.
everyone is proud, you know? They're really proud because I like what you done, you know? Shows you never put the money to waste. You put it to use. You know.
Some more material to go for
Pamogol. Jeez.
More flash out inside. Take a little time.
Take your time.
Yeah, man. It depends on the finishing.
Of course. In time, man. In time. Alright then, yeah? Yeah, more love. Yeah. Yo. Ah! So like fairy.
No, somebody I come here, people.
Yes, mommy. Scanner.
Yeah, old man there.
All is well.
Good job.
I'm going to put on your soup. I'll bring a soup for you. Scanner keep in place well clean and nice.
Nah, lie. I don't want to go in with shoes. Clean. Organized. A little.
Yeah, I love it there.
Can I bring a girl for you?
Bring a girl for you.
Bring a girl for you.
You got a Lamborghini?
Yeah, yeah, Lamborghini.
Yeah, you was out there.
Yeah, talk Spanish. You know what I say.
Okay.
Ah, come.
Yeah. The same keeping place clean.
Philip. Turn on your right.
Let me tell you, man. I was threatening him. I said, no, come on, come sit down all. I'll just...
Alright then, Philip. Rest on a soup for you.
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
If the answer and where they come from. May God bless and keep them.
Alright then.
Yeah, man, respect.
Respect.
Alright, Philip. Yeah,
Walk outside. Outside there for
outside. That's through the passage.
Look like this person woman here.
Except for the sisters.
Sister.
Oh, you want sisters? That's all, you know?
Yeah.
Come here. Both of them.
It's that. Every corner.
Inside.
This is 5th Street. Greetings.
Oh, go on, mommy.
Got something for you.
Cool.
Yeah, no problem.
That first.
Alright, there.
Hey, your hair looks so good.
Alright, Miss Daphne.
Alright, take care. Alright.
Oh, she's out.
Yeah.
Greetings.
Evening. Miss Dester.
Miss Das.
Good evening. Yeah, look on her like I said, who she, you know? You have someone, you know? It's all the way from Africa. Like I drink it now as soup.
Okay.
You want to bring it inside for you? Where? Up there? Oh, put it up there for you. So come catch you, I get some fresh air. I mean, but drop me now go further than ground.
Okay.
You getting some fresh air. At least you're out here, get some fresh air.
Yeah.
Breeze are blowing nice, right? Where are they there? Oh, I'm not coming yet. Alright, then take care. Can I give out the rest of the soup then? Yeah? Yeah. You see me to smile, you know?
Yeah.
When you see me, you must smile. Never to get the corn sheet. Yes, I make it seem like that. Manners.
Mommy, you good? Evening.
Not so good still, but you have life still. Happy up yourself.
Once you have life, good.
Amigo! Let's stop. Beat na amigo no.
Alright. This one?
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to give our cousin the next
I
one.
know you can't tell my girl from school from show kid. I like me, I tell kid I see.
Nicola, come on. Yeah, that's the white man.
You cannot hear you know?
Can't hear the.
That is it.
She might look at it. Yes, sir. Amigo.
Yeah, man.
Look.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah.
My girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's very good. Yeah, man. That beautiful queen, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Color queen, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Amigo can't stop now.
Yeah, man. Hey, my son, them not here, you know, your brother cousin, you know, them not here, you know. Man, he not here, you know, man.
Put him on.
Pan little bit, so me I want to say the man got your granny love you, know, son. But I love it. Same granny said come to me for call. You know where though?
It man.
In the heck over there, you know. Because I made this thing, you know. Yeah, man, he not here, man. I want him, 2 times I you tell him, you know. He not here. I'm not telling the boy, stop smoking, you know, he tell me, say, you not top. Not even say, you not top. I tell him, I tell him, pick up a rain. Mother, stop, you know. You not take 3 more and drink. You tell me, send him out, you know, when you well, what about it?
Well, you take the money.
Yeah, I don't come back.
See.
When you come back, it like you have mad. I'm saying with that $200, come take care of in the morning.
That's not good.
When you don't know trouble soda, I don't know where they
Yeah.
you go out. Can't know the table, I tell you, that's it.
Yeah.
I tell you, I don't know anything, you know. Come with that junkie, you know. I wouldn't want me half mad, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, my girl, we're not talking, you know, when we want me this thing, you know. Yeah, man, me and my girl, man, we said, yeah, my career, couple of Marvel, you know, top queen, you know. A liar, man, you know, a liar, you know. You're black like shit, beautiful, you know. Yeah, man, but want to me lose her, you know, when me lose her. It's a friend. When lead that tree, last year, Michael, careful, you know. Kite to your liar, they will trick you, you know. That's not going, Carol, man. I want to reach England, you know, said to me. She's going to drive, and I have a friend there. Master with jokes. I said, got loser, you know, say it, and kid eyes. Me, I show you. It was tough. You know, you're brethren. You know, say, I think going to fail, brethren. More you give me a. Yeah, because we tell you, it's the last thing, we tell you, probably. He get one up, me, I know, the woman come and tell me, say, she give me $50 for my house. And she come mad on the sound of the toad. Run my line. I say, you want me, your mother?
Yeah, of course.
You get joke, man, but you go where you come on. You just give me $50 for my battery, you know. I can't go with that, show me, care, you know. If you look small, that's what you know. When you go, see me there, you know. Yeah, to me, they're wicked in the breakfast. They say, I don't want the red one, they will show you. You go there now. I have one little piece of company. You fly out, you know. You know, mother and sister.
Alright. Later, yeah?
Well, save that me, you know. Yeah, no, it is more than mother. See if they have a very bad order. Yeah, can't see if that can't give me, you know. As a move, alright, bless her.
You bless her, yeah?
Yeah. Well,
Queen. See her.
Alright then, I'll be back.
Yeah, my beautiful queen. Where are you?
D.
Okay.
Carol, you know.
Alright. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Carol. I'm saying, you know.
Hey.
Yay. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, come on. And I just say, lay it on my shoulder, baby. And the rise in my eyes. Oh, no. My heart got to be your heart. And to the beginning, and the end, and the glory of the Lord. But I want to know about you, baby. No. I'm tired like they tell you. My phone in my pocket, friend. I don't got no time to walk in my phone in my hand. Got something can go. I have to jump over the wall in my phone. Are you going and say, my phone in my bosom, friend? I don't got no time to walk in my phone, man. I'll keep my phone in my bosom.
Keep your phone
when
where?
I get a call, I take my phone in my bosom, press no.
Hey.
Blessed is baby love.
That is
Yeah,
big tune. Little more. Alright then.
Yeah, bless it. Hey, amigo. Yes, guys, so that is it for today. You know, we've been giving out, we've been giving out all the soup and everything. So that was what completed for today. You know, wow. So I want to thank you so much, May. Yeah, we thank you so much for blessing us for the soup for the elders. Them, we thank you so much, and also we want to thank Karen for the pampers as well too. You know. Classy design, you know, you can check her out on YouTube. Classy design for the pampers for the elders them. So we thank you so much, guys. So remember, put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. Give the video a thumbs up. That is it.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.